SMCI here down about 15% today, a pretty big gap here to the downside. I'm going to go ahead and share with you my thoughts on SMCI, where I expect SMCI to be going into May 2025, and again, what I'm personally doing as well, okay? So SMCI here currently at $30.45, down 15% today. We had a really big gap fill here, or gap down here, that I believe we are going to get a gap fill to the top side. And so if you want to compare the current price here, I do think we are going to get this test back up to this resistance here of $36, which is going to be right around an 18% move back up to the top side. Personally, I wouldn't mind adding a small position at the moment for SMCI. I would just want to be cautious of this support here of $27.60, pretty close to our Fibonacci retracement support at $27.78, right? If we break down below $27.60, I would caution on even a potential dip down to our recent low here of $25.71. And again, anything below $27.78, that's where I would probably look to add a bigger position if the company is going to remain the same. There's no like big changes, right, in the fundamentals of the company. Then I would look to add a bigger position below $27.78. But before we even have this gap fill, I think adding a small position here wouldn't be a bad idea. In the next couple of weeks, I do anticipate a pretty big move for NVIDIA to head up towards the top side. I think NVIDIA is going to have a test towards 117. And so for SMCI, I do think that gap fill is going to occur as well. So it's definitely something I'm keeping an eye out for. Again, right around an 18% move back up to the top side. I think we're at a dip opportunity here, but I also want to proceed cautiously. Let me know what you guys are doing down below in the comments and what your average cost basis is if you're trading shares with SMCI, or are you doing options, right? If you don't have a community yet for SMCI, I highly recommend joining our Discord. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated due diligence chat section for SMCI. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do have a 90% off permanent discount promotion right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Check out the second link down below in the description of the video for our Patreon. And again, if we have any open spots available on Patreon, go ahead and check it out, join it. If you do join it, you will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord, which will then again share all the live entries and exits in stocks and options, including, like I said, SMCI, all right? SMCI did have this rally all the way up to $66.44 or $66.44. I do believe at some point we are going to get a retest towards that level. It's just going to be a matter of time, and for this one, I can't quite predict exactly when, right? But again, keep in mind that's going to be right around a 117% move towards the top side. If we move back to the daily chart here, my personal prediction going into May 2025 is just going to be this gap fill, and again, that's going to be an 18% move back up to the top side. We know SMCI has been extremely volatile, so definitely keep an eye out for a big move here going into the next couple of trading days as well as trading weeks, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and as always, please feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications. I will be making more SMCI videos, so if you have any feedback or if you have any updates you want to share with us, let us know down below in the comments, and I appreciate everyone for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video for SMCI.